Want to make money online using AI but have no coding skills? In this video, I'll show you how to start earning real income using AI automation tools that require zero technical experience, from side hustles to full businesses. Let's break it down step by step. AI automation means using artificial intelligence tools to perform tasks automatically, saving time, money, and effort. From chatbots that talk to customers to tools that write content or schedule posts, AI can work for you 24/7. The best part? Most tools today are no code, so anyone can use them. Let's look at real ways to earn from this trend. First, build and sell AI-powered chatbots using tools like Tidio or ManyChat. You can set up a chatbot in under an hour, no coding needed. Businesses will pay $100 to $500+ for a chatbot that answers FAQs, collects leads, or handles bookings. Use ChatGPT to write the replies and personalize the tone. Offer this service on Fiverr, Upwork, or by messaging local businesses directly. Content is king, but creating it manually takes time. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Pictory, you can automate blog posts, YouTube scripts, and social media captions. Sell your services as a content creator or VA, or launch your own blog, newsletter, or YouTube channel. You can even batch produce faceless YouTube videos and earn ad revenue or affiliate commissions. Use Canva, ChatGPT, and AI templates to create printable products like planners, resume kits, or affirmation cards. Upload them to Etsy or Gumroad, and you can start earning passive income. AI helps you generate designs, product descriptions, and SEO tags fast. It's a great way to make money while you sleep. Freelancers waste hours doing outreach manually. With tools like Zapier, Bardeen, or Phantom Buster, you can automate LinkedIn outreach, data scraping, and email flows. Offer these as done-for-you automations to coaches, marketers, or agencies. You don't need to code. These tools are drag and drop. Package AI tools into full systems and sell them as a service. Example: an AI-powered appointment booking and email follow-up bot for salons. Use tools like Tidio, Google Sheets, and Zapier, and deliver the full setup for $300 to $1,000 or more. The trick? Niche down and solve a real business problem. You don't need to code, you don't need to be an expert. Just learn the tools, pick one path, and start offering value. AI automation is exploding. And you're early. So pick one of these methods, take action today, and turn AI into real income. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out the links below to get started.